Sharon Cuneta, hindi nakikialam sa buhay o love life ng kanyang mga anak, lalong-lalo na sa pangalan niyang si Casey Concepcion. Update lang tayo guys, dahil nag-trending ang ating megastar. Lahat na video na ito ay napapanood natin in any form of social media. So, may nagtanong kay Sharon Cuneta kung nagkabalikan na nga ba sila Ale Berromeo at Casey Concepcion, ang anak niyang panganay. Pero ang sagot ni Sharon ay hindi siya sasagot sa mga tanong na yan. Dapat si Casey ang sasagot sa mga katanungan na yan dahil hindi naman daw bata si Casey at nasa tamang edad na. She is an adult na daw, sabi ni Sharon Cuneta. Pangalawang sabi ni Sharon ay hindi daw siya nakikialam sa love life ng kanyang mga anak. Nakikita nyo ba guys ang aura ng mukha ni Sharon nung tinanong siya tungkol kay Casey? Ang ganda, masaya siyang sumagot. So, ibig sabihin guys, in good terms na ang mag-ina. So, this is the best start ng 2025 sa mag-inang Sharon at Casey Concepcion. Panoorin natin guys kung ano yung sabi exactly ni Sharon Cuneta.
And Ali together again. Are they together?
I think we should ask Casey. She's old na eh.
But do you have tips for her? She's trying to lose weight now for
We've talked. I don't want to betray her trust naman. I think she's, she's a full-fledged adult. You can ask her. She'll be happy to tell you. But I don't think it's my place to talk about her personal stuff. But she's working very hard on working again. So I'm hoping that, because she still looks like she's 20 or 25, Thank you, mommy. That's from my mom, all of us. I mean, lalo my kids. So, and Frankie looks like she's 50. She's already 24. Casey looks very young. So, my flawless look.
Sharon, your tasteful choice in fashion, and
pursuing her other career in jewelry. Kasi she has a store, she's opening a store there too. So, she's very busy and I can't talk about her love life, unfortunately, because she's old enough. She's okay. Let me just say this, in general, pag ang isang relationship, I'm not just talking about Casey, but obviously, syempre, in general, when a relationship doesn't work out between two people, hindi naman ibig sabihin na ang isa ay kailangan masama o yung isa kailangan masama. Minsan, kahit maraming love, malaki yung respeto sa isa't isa, meron talaga mga hindi pinagkakasunduan kahit parehong mabuting tao. So, sometimes I just find that people judge too quickly, and I'd rather na Casey doesn't, I'd rather na si Casey, I told her kahit years ago, I told her, anak, you don't have to really get married, you feel you don't have to, and huwag mong pilitan just because, di ba? And sabi ko nga, kung gusto mo, parang just freeze your eggs and then let's just, have someone make a baby with your eggs and just don't deprive me of beautiful grandchildren kasi ang ganda naman ako.
yes.
So let's give her a break and let her go through what she has to go through. And in general, let's not be too quick to judge kasi diretsuhin ko na, si Casey at Pierre parehong matinong tao, parehong tunay ang intensyon sa isa't isa. Maaring meron ng mga hindi pinagkakasunduan, so we can't really judge. And I haven't spoken to her diretso about, she's of age, she's a full-grown adult. So unless she tells me, ayoko talagang nakikiusyoso. I'm just saying na I know my daughter and I think I know Pierre a little better than I did before. So, they're both good people. Minsan lang talaga, kung tayo mabilis humusga. Minsan it doesn't work out. Mas mabuti naman yung ganun kesa sa magkakatuloy.